can see this Santiago network. Okay. Now see, ये जो network है, the network is a type of a connection between the UN member nations, and when I say member nations, we're talking about the developing countries largely, okay, and the service providers, okay, the service providers who have technology, who have some know-how, who have some kind of understanding and skills, okay, and the developing countries need those. So they were facilitating the process. The Santiago network, therefore, served as a connection between the UN member states, and service providers. If the member state seeks support, if a member state seeks support for climate change related assistance, okay? It was doing this now, right? Next, in COP 28, okay, Santiago network is now committed to be hosted by UNDRR, and UNOPS. So doing this, UNOPS and UNDRR. So when we have done this, it's kind of formalizing the setup even for, okay, the loss and damage fund. ठीक है Anuba, let me know what I missed out. ठीक है, so it was like a connection between the service providers and the UN member states. If they request a help, they will help them. But this was running largely by UNFCCC. अब इसको हम इनमें ले आए हैं, so now they have the formal responsibility to make the Santiago network happen. So what this does is, write down, this like formalizes loss and damage. This formalizes loss and damage efforts within the purview of okay, Paris deal objectives. Otherwise, ये अलग से हो रहा था, okay, not done properly under the Paris deal. ठीक है? So this is this one. इसके अलावा, yes? No, they have to pay something, but how much क्या they must negotiate with them. This only will facilitate them to connect. Okay, until we have a proper loss and damage fund. Okay, तो अगर आपको चाहिए help तो आप ही pay करोगे, right? Maybe I'll take some assistance, वो अलग बात है. But now I have a fund proper. That's why these two should be studied together. What have we done as a part of the fund? And this one is connecting. So now all of this falls into place now. ठीक है? पहले तो fund ही नहीं था हमारे पास. Okay, next.